Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. Today I want to tell you about an awesome opportunity that we have that you can help us out with called Good Shop. Now, this is a really cool platform that you can use when you're shopping online. So basically, you go to goodshop.com. There'll be a link in the description below that is specifically for our charity. You would type in, select a charity to support, you create an account and all of that kind of stuff. And then when you choose Social Media Ministries as your designated charity, then you can shop online at hundreds, maybe even thousands of different retailers. And when you make a purchase on whatever online store, then a percentage of your purchase will be donated to Social Media Ministries at no cost to you. This is an incredible opportunity that you can use to help support Social Media Ministries when you shop online that doesn't cost you anything. So if you do any online shopping, whether it's Target for your groceries, Walmart, whether you use different apps like Instacart or whatever, you buy on Gap or Old Navy, or you buy your clothes at Aeropostale or Hollister, or you shop at big retailers online like Coach or Nordstrom, or any of these online retailers. If you buy anything online, check out our link for Good Shop, see if that store is listed there, and click to go to that store through Good Shop. And a percentage of your purchase will be donated at no cost to you. Now, for those of you who are like, I already have a rewards program, I want to get my points or my Rakuten or Ebates or My Points or Inbox Dollars or some other reward site, then I'm asking you, hey, if that's so important to you, then please support us in another way, whether it's through prayer, sharing this video, or maybe take a look and see how many points you really earn and see what it's worth to you. If you're only earning a $50 gift card every year, guess what? That would go a long way toward bringing more people to learn about Jesus and teaching them how to become disciples and followers of Jesus. So if you could part with that and start using Good Shop instead of your current rewards program, then we would really appreciate it here at Social Media Ministries. But there is also another opportunity for you if you're not into that. You can use something called Good Search, which you can make this your default search engine on your computer, on your phone, wherever. And then anytime you search the web for whatever you search for, cookie recipe, or can my dog eat this, or what is a conversion for this, or whatever you search, Good Shop or Good Search will donate. For every search, they'll donate to Social Media Ministries, again, no cost to you. So this is something that hopefully every single person watching this video will do, or will at least try. Maybe perhaps you don't like the search engine, but try it first. Set it as your default search, select Social Media Ministries as your supported charity, and every time you search the internet, you will be supporting Social Media Ministries. We would thank you for that. And again, it is at no cost to you. So this is an awesome opportunity for you to support us. It doesn't cost you anything. It's stuff you're already doing. That's all there is to it. You're already going to do this. Why not help a charity, help a 501c3, help a nonprofit, help other people learn more about the Bible, about Jesus, and support us while you do the things you already do. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to place them below. We will do what we can to help you out, to get you set up so that you can start supporting Social Media Ministries when you do your everyday online activities. Thank you, and God bless.